Hi, let's do 29 and 30. If you want to pause, that's a great idea. Okay. Yeah, so this question 29 is talking about a bug called a mayfly. Okay, so the diversity of the mayfly, there the quantity, there's not usually that many different species of mayfly that are relevant in one experiment. Usually we just look at one species, but anyways, they decreases as stream habitat quality declines. Okay, so as humans start polluting everything, we decrease the stream quality. Okay, so in this question, they're hoping that you know a mayfly is a bug. Okay, it's a species where its life cycle is underwater, so it lays eggs just like a mosquito does, okay, underwater, and they hatch and eventually emerge as these bugs here. Okay, so if your water is too polluted for those larvae to survive, okay, they are not going to be able to make the adults. Okay, so what's this question about here? Okay, the mayfly is being studied because it's influenced by biomagnification. Not really, it's kind of at the bottom of the food chain, right? So that could be true, but it also has nothing to do with your information here. Okay, it's a species influenced by predation. Okay, so it's eaten by predators like basically everything from frogs to birds. Yes. Okay, it is eaten, but again, it's not relevant in this particular question. Okay, it's a tolerant invertebrate species. This is one of my favorite kinds of distractors, where they just put in a bunch of gobbledygook science words. So if we take this apart, this means invertebrate is something that has its skeleton on the outside. Okay, like a cockroach. Okay, something that has a hard shell. Insects usually. Okay, tolerant means able to resist. Okay, so it's able to resist change. Okay, not really. What they're hoping you know here is from your vocabulary terms that it's a biological indicator species. Okay, biological living thing that indicates, lets you know what the environment is like. Okay, and it's a species. Okay, so a bioindicator species is the answer there. This question is nice and just asks you to understand what ppm means. So the dissolved oxygen concentration of a pond, that's 8 parts per million by volume. Okay, as long as we're still talking in milliliters here, milliliters, we're not being asked to convert from liters to kilograms to or whatever. So they just want you to know that ppm means parts per million. Okay, so that's 100, 1,000, 10,000, 1 million. The end.